Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to clear search history in Play Store. When you search any application on Play Store of your mobile, so Play Store automatically save your search data as you can see on your mobile screen. So to clear or delete search history of Play Store, you have to tap on your Play Store Google ID profile picture. Then you have to tap on settings, and in settings tap on general, and in general options tap on account and device preference. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option clear device search history. Tap on it. Now confirm to clear device search history. All searches you have made in Play Store on this device will be removed. Tap on clear history as I did. Now go back and tap on search bar. You can see that there is no search data found in search bar. In this way you can clear or delete the search history of the Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.